Let's learn how to back up chats on WhatsApp. If you have ever wanted to back up your chats on WhatsApp but didn't know how to do it, after watching this video, you definitely won't have that problem anymore. The first thing you need to do is find and open the WhatsApp application on your phone or computer. Make sure you are on the correct account where you want to back up the chats. When WhatsApp is open, you'll be on the home screen, but you don't need to stay on this screen. Instead, you need to go to the settings screen. You can go to this screen by clicking on the settings option located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you've clicked on it, the settings screen will open, where you'll see many options that you don't need for this tutorial. For this tutorial, you need the chats option, which you should click on. When you click on this option, a screen with more options will open. On this screen, you need to click on the chat backup option, which is located above the export chat option. When you click on the chat backup option, a screen will open where you will have some options. You will have the option to back up your chats now. This option is Backup Now. When you click on it, wait a bit and your chats will be backed up. On this screen, you also have the Auto Backup option, where when you click on it, you have 4 options. These 4 options are to back up daily, weekly, monthly, or off to turn off auto backup. Choose what suits you best, and that's it. You have successfully backed up your chats. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.